John, are you okay?
No, Sarah. I don't feel good.
What happened?
I think I have a fever.
Oh no. Let's go to the hospital.
Yes, I think I need help.
Can you walk?
Slowly, yes.
Hold my hand.
Thank you, Sarah.
Hello, we need help please.
Yes, what is the problem?
My friend is sick.
What is his name?
His name is John.
Okay, please sit and wait.
How long will it take?
Maybe a few minutes.
I feel very weak.
Don't worry. You will be okay.
John.
Yes, that's me.
Come with me, please.
I'm coming with him.
Sure, no problem. Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a high fever.
Is it serious?
The doctor will check him.
Hello, John. How do you feel? Very tired, doctor. Do you have pain? Yes, in my head. Any cough? A little.
He feels very hot.
Yes, he has fever. We will do a blood test. Okay, doctor.
Sit down, John.
I'm a little scared.
Don't worry, it's easy.
Just a small pinch.
Ouch. That's it?
Yes, all done.
Good job, John.
Thank you for staying.
Please wait 20 minutes for results.
Okay.
Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Are you feeling better?
A little better.
Let's rest.
I hope it's nothing serious.
Don't think too much.
I'll try. John, your results are ready. Is everything okay? You have an infection.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it's common. What should I do? One day? You need medicine.
Will he stay here?
Yes, for one day.
This is your bed, John.
It looks comfortable.
Here is your 4-drip.
Will it hurt?
Only a little.
Be strong.
I will try.
All done.
Thank you.
Do you want anything?
Can you stay a little?
Yes, of course.
I feel sleepy.
Sleep. I am here.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome.
How is he now?
He is resting.
Good. He will recover soon.
Thank you.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. How do you feel?
Much better.
That's great.
John, you can go home today. Really? Yes. Take your medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you for everything, Sarah.
Always, John. Let's go home.